So here we have someone with long tailbone length hair. Wow, beautiful chic bob haircuts. What an amazing transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing yet another bob. And this particular stylist is known for her beautiful bob haircuts. This one looks like it is full of volume. She did mix in some bangs in the front, some layers. Oh, this is very cute. Absolutely love this hair change. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have a beautiful pixie hair change here. Nice design going through the back and through the side. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair switch things up to this really pretty pixie style. So much volume within that particular cut. Beautifully done. So next up, we see someone adding in some color. A few layers. Giving the client a nice blowout in order to enhance the color and the cut. Wow, I am absolutely loving the dimension he created with this color contrast. Right on trend with what we are seeing in 2023. Incredible hair change. Next up, it looks like we have a bob haircut change. She has an absolutely gorgeous silver hair color. Wow, this bob looks so thick and full, and I love this color. I wonder if this is her natural hair color or if she did dye it platinum. Either way, it is absolutely gorgeous. So here we have someone who wants to get a blunt bob haircut that ends just around the jawline. This, of course, is a very popular hair trend. Alright, so let's see what the stylist ends up doing. Wow, so chic and stylish. So she kind of went with like a mini bob. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.